Very good evening, friends. So, my indicator is giving a bumper harvest for all the traders who have bought my indicator. Just I am going to demonstrate how the today's trade was, how you could have traded properly in this indicator. I'll just start dynamic, this is the dynamic rolling pivot, reversal magic, and in combination with this one, if anybody buys this indicator, I'm going to give this dynamic Gann HiLo color zone. So it will change the color, this dynamic Gann HiLo. So I'll be giving this indicator free for you people. If anybody wants to access, the price of this indicator is rolling pivot is 2,500. You need to WhatsApp me on this number 9845209600. Whoever taken my indicator, they are very, very happy and they are making profits. Let me take out the screenshots from somebody who had made profit from over here. These are my group. Let me take this, copy, and I'm going to paste it here. This is the profit one of the buyer has made money in this from this indicator. He is very happy and he is telling me thanks. And this is just an example. I'm not taking out all the people's feedback and feeding it to you. See, now let me play back this indicator. This indicator, again, I will introduce you to the indicator. This rolling pivot is the dynamic balance line. As the price moves dynamically, it plots the dynamic pivots R1 and S1. This one is the dynamic pivot R1 and S1. When Gann HiLo is the trend indicator, when the trend is upside, this will be automatically blue. And this is the shorter period Gann HiLo, which I am going to give it to you free access as a Deepavali gift for you people. What you can do is you can message me on this number. Don't delay. You can make money. This is a very beautiful indicator. And also it is a teacher. You can learn the market price action with the help of this. Where is the secondary trend, primary trend, secondary trend, minor trend, all those things you can learn. Once you start seeing this with the help of the indicator, you learn the market technical analysis too. It is a teacher. It is like me sitting behind you and giving tips. So somebody is giving tips, even somebody gives you tips, the transfer of tips, by the time it is transferred, the price will be moved. So here, no hiccup, nothing. You can immediately place the order and you can capture the movement. Here, in this indicator, I'm going to show the morning. Before taking any trade, what I do is, when I am on the 5 minutes time frame, these are the hourly pivots. So previous days levels I do mark for my reference point because we need to mark this. So previous day balance line is here and the next 1 minute, this is the 230 balance line. The trend is intact. Here, trend is intact and this is a minor pullback, deep down pullback to this level and market took support, that is 25,508. 508, and let me play back how the indicator performs and how you can place the trade. I will show you on the replay mode. I'll start from here. Okay, this is Dynamic HiLo and longer period combination rolling pivot Gann HiLo with the rolling pivots and buy signals, narrow bar alerts, big bar alerts are all included, coded for this indicator. So it is a system where you can make money. Let me start the replay button and I'll show it to you. Yes, I'll start this. Start new. Let me come back. Let me start from the back. I'm already set for the today's trade, marking down the supports. Why? Because previous day the market has come down while closing, it has closed in the red. That's why you need to mark the support zones. Where are the supports? Supports are I'm taking as the previous hourly 2 hourly balance line. The last hourly balance line and last to last hourly balance line, I'm taking it. These are the pivots, rolling pivot, and this is the R1, last hourly R1. So let me start the replay button and show it to you how the indicator performs and how easily anybody can take the trade. Even if you do not know the technical analysis, see the first bar playing. Now you can see the first bar pierce through this support, line, and see immediately buy signal was generated over here. Buy signal was generated over here. Friends, you are not doing any mistake. Then third 5-minute candle buy signal has been generated and it is retracement. After making an high, this is a natural process. It is by retesting this level. Just watch how the magic, this rolling pivot is helping you to go long. See the beauty. Big man is driving the bus. Big man is driving the bus. Big man created the panic. We are not getting panic since everything is balanced. My rolling pivot is showing you balance and supports, buy alerts, nothing. And the shorter period, this Gann HiLo, Dynamic Gann HiLo, I'm going to give it as a Diwali gift, as a free access if you buy this indicator, rolling pivot. So don't delay, you can access, you are going to, within no time, you are going to get back the indicator's money. So people have made money like anything. Just an example I have shown you here. This is an example of one of the buyers, this one, to show you the proof. People wants proof. It need not be. I need not present the proof. The price action is the proof. It is telling you in front of you how the indicator is showing the buy signals and you are in the trade. Even if it is nothing has changed, the Gann HiLo is supporting, pivots are supporting, pivots are running here, running up. See now it is 11:30. Already 11:30. 25,778. The market has reached its peak. Now, what happens in the market is it starts going sideways. Around London session, 12 o'clock, it is putting a leg down, indicating some sort of weakness over here. Leg down beneath the Gann HiLos and touching the Gann HiLo. Still, no sell signal has been generated over here. Can you see over here? So beautifully it is going sideways. The market is going sideways. When it goes sideways, these pivots turn their color into gray color. Still, now the expansion is coming. The market is moving higher because the Gann HiLo, which had turned neutral, the shorter one turned green, and it is aligning with the longer period Gann HiLo, which is the rolling pivot combo. See friends, how the beauty is. So now it has shown a sell signal over here. Here itself it showed sell signal huge. You could have entered into the put option over here and you could have taken trade. This is the first bearish signal, and the dynamic Gann HiLo is changing its color from neutral to red. And our long-term Gann HiLo has turned red, and all my pivots have become red, indicating that, signaling that it is going to go down. And it is a natural process when market falls down. It is a natural process. Price pulls back. Some people do this mistake. Here, you cannot do this mistake when the indicator is with you, because it is simultaneously plotting sell signals. When there is sell signal, you are not going to take the trade. See how beautifully now it is 145. The market is coming to the balance. In another indicator which I released very recently, that is CPR, and you will come to know CPR supports also in this. I'm not demonstrating this. First you can see, if you buy this indicator, you will be getting the another indicator free. That is the Dynamic Color-Changing Gann HiLo you are going to get free. This is the rolling pivot and Gann HiLo combo with buy sell signals and narrow range bars, big bar alerts, and so many things. So friends, don't delay. Here, why? Even though it climbed above the Gann HiLo, Gann HiLo, the price did not balance. It was struggling. Why? Because the shorter period Gann HiLo did not cross. Now it crossed. See the movement, how it is moving. See the movement. It picked up the moment. Now it is a intraday pullback in the market. It pulled back up to 25,756. Let us see, it is going sideways. It is going sideways. Let us see what happens to the market. So after this PE trade, you could have entered into a CE trade at the last hour around 2 p.m. So when you enter into the PE trade, this is how I'm demonstrating this so beautifully in front of your eyes. You can see the price action. So friends, this is my indicator, magical indicator. I can say it is a magical indicator because it creates magic into your trading journey. It gives you education, it teaches you, it guides you and sits with you and takes you along with this. And profit will be yours and Lakshmi will come into your house. In this Deepavali, don't delay. Try to get the access. WhatsApp me on this number 98452 This is a paid indicator you need to pay. This is priced at 2,500 rupees for lifetime access. For a lifetime access, it is peanut. It's not monthly subscription. So you are getting the hen, not the egg. So hen will be with you. So friends, don't delay. Thank you very much, friends. I wish you all happy Deepavali for each and everyone who is watching my video. See, I need not teach anything. You need not go to any course or trading course, or you need not go to webinar, spend money and waste money. Where this is a complete webinar, complete teacher, tutorial, teacher sitting with you. The teacher is sitting with you while you are taking trade. So hand holding trades it is making indicator is giving hand holding guidance. Thank you very much. Nanakshi Swami signing off.